Alright, welcome back to Tech Talks YouTube channel, the Technology Talk YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can boost your computer performance and how you can delete the unwanted and unnecessary files from your computer to boost the performance and also to make your computer faster. So before that we start, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and also leave your comment if you have any suggestions. I really need your subscriptions to my channel to reach out to 1,000 subscribers. So I'm opening a notepad file here to write down the commands we are going to run in this video. So the first command is going to be temp. The other one is %sign, temp, and %sign. The other one is prefetch, and the last one is recent. We need to run all these commands to the run with the run directly to computer directory. So press Windows logo plus R at the same time and type the first command temp. So since I have deleted many of files from here, you can select all these files and shift delete them. And for the next one, we do have the %sign temp and %sign. So again, you have to delete all these files from this directory. Actually, this is the directory on drive C, and these are the temporary files that they can reduce the performance of your memory. The third one is prefetch. So for this one, you need to be an admin on your computer. So again, select all these files and delete them. I don't want to do this for my computer at the moment because I have some files that they are still running. So for you, if you don't have any files open, you can go ahead and delete all these files. And of course, doing this will boost your computer performance. And for the last one, as a recent, you can delete the files if you have one, but since I already deleted the recent files from my directories, there's no files available for now. So for the second part of our today's video, we are going to optimize the hard drive performance in my computer. Actually, it doesn't matter if you have a laptop or a desktop. If it is running Windows 11 or Windows 10, it doesn't matter, it is fine. You can do the same steps for both Windows operating systems. So before we go to the second part of our video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also leave your comment. I really need you guys to subscribe to my channel to help me to reach out to our goal with 1,000 subscribers. So each of the subscribes to my channel will motivate me a lot to create more videos and help you guys with more knowledgeable videos on this channel. So now we type disk on search box. We see the disk clean. The disk cleanup app will run. Select the registries you want to delete the cached files from there, like this one I did, and after that proceed with cleanup system files. I cannot do it now because I'm running a screen recording at the moment, but for you that's okay to run. I will leave it for later and I will do this later. So the second one is going to be again on my hard drive to optimize my drive. So you should be able to optimize your C drive where the Windows files are located to optimize that drive for a better performance and for a better speed of your computer hard drive. So make sure to select this drive and proceed with optimize. So it can take a few seconds to run the optimization, and after that it should be done. And of course you will see the difference with your computer after you do all the steps we have done in this video. So do all these steps on your computer and see the difference with your computer and hard drive performance. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video and comment below if you have any suggestions. I will see you guys next time in another video.